welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of content. I usually have some of the newest palettes and things that come out, and today is no different. Today I have the new ColourPop Stone Cold Fox. Makes me think of Jimi Hendrix. Foxy lady. Anyway, enough of that mouth guitar. That's just a little silly, isn't it? This is what the palette looks like, and look at the beautiful cool tones. There's little roses and beiges and grays and just all the neutral cool colors that you could possibly ever want. So this is very exciting. I'm going to swatch a few colors. There's some mattes. There's some shimmers. I think there might even be like a Super Shock formula in here somewhere. But let's go right here. Let's go right there. Let's do this dark gray. Let's do that. And there is, you can see this one's really a beautiful, very pale shimmer. But look at how these look on the skin. They look great. And I'm very excited about swatching just a couple more. I want to do this kind of rosy brown. And then this, and then this, and then this. I mean, it's a palette of neutrals, so there's only going to be so much variation. Oh, and there's some matte. This matte has glitter in it. So this is very beautiful. I'm looking forward to making a fantastic look. There's no way I'm going to do all of the shadows today because, guys, you don't want my videos to be like a half-hour long unless it's a special video. Then that's fine. But most of the time, you guys are happier with the shorter videos. So let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. And there are tiny little names for all of these colors. And I'm going to, I think this one says Trip. So I'm going to start with this in my crease with a fluffy alter ego brush. And it is a beautiful color that's about matches. It's a lot lighter on my eye than it looks in the pan. There's some kick up in the pan. I'm digging in. There's definitely some kick up, but I don't see any fallout, so that's a good thing. And then let's get a fluffy brush and go under my brow. I'm gonna go under my brow with, I think I'm gonna go with the rosier kind of nudes. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is called So Fine. Oh man, the shimmer on that is fantastic. And there are, of course, kittens in my room, so if you hear any strange noises, you can attribute that. I know little Ruby's in here. And Wolfie's sitting on a box, which is his favorite thing. He loves sitting on cardboard. And there's always a plethora of cardboard here to be sat upon. So that is my under the brow, and you can see the little shimmer there. It's a very great highlight. I'm going to go into this color here, which is called Stone Age. And put it in the crease on the outside corner of the eye. Maybe I'll bring a gray into it. I don't know. But we're looking for just a beautiful pinky kind of nudie look. So it's going to be very simple, very basic. but beautiful all at the same time. Kick up in the pan, but I don't mind kick up in the pan as long as there's not fallout under my eyes, and there is not fallout under my eyes. I'm going to go into this darker rosy brown. Ooh, a ton of kick up with this. Oh, that's pretty. It feels like I'm not doing anything at all. I'm so used to working with color. And now I'm gonna go with a different brush into this metallic. This is a glitter brownie rosy color, and it's called Play It Coal. And that just looks like I put just a little shade darker color on there. Let's go onto the lid. And there's some darker colors, and I'm gonna wait to darken things up. I'm gonna go in with this shiny silver. This is Something the Moon. Oh wow, that is stunning. Oh, so pretty. Well, let's get a little bit darker in the crease now that I've got that beautiful light shimmer. And I'm going to go in with Obsidian. Or should I go with the black? I'm gonna go with the black. I'm gonna clean this off. This black is called Rock Bottom. Who hasn't been there? I know I have. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's blend this up a little. We need to get a little blending brush to get this right. I've got some fantastic dark lip colors to go along with everything that we're doing today. Oh, this looks super pretty. Super pretty. This palette is fantastic. Stone Cold Fox. And we're going to do some liner and brows because I forgot to do my brows. I usually try to been trying to do them ahead of time. Sometimes I forget. I am blonde by nature, so, and by non-nature. But I think I'm going to be changing from blonde to colorful again in the next couple weeks. I'm loving the blonde and I'm going to come back to it, but I really love the blonde. All right, that looks nice and soft for a change. Let's do the eyeliner with Stila. It's always so hard to do this left eye. I'm so quiet when I do it. That liner just makes all the difference in the world. And we're going to use the Pat McGrath Dark Star mascara because I'm fancy sometimes. Get fancy with my ColourPop look. I got 2 new lips from ColourPop when I got this palette, and I'll show them to you in just a second. And they are gorgeous, and I know which one I'm going to use. I've been all about getting a little wild with my lip color, and not necessarily bright, but it's been fun to go to some dark places with the lips. And with the 90s and stuff being back, it makes it all that much easier. And I love this eye look. I love it. So the 2 colors that I got today, this one is Big Bang, which is a gorgeous red, beautiful blue red, or a true red really. And then this is what I'm going to wear today. It'll be darker on the lip. This is called Hermosa. Look how much darker it is on the lip. I'm not used to this ColourPop Luxe Velvet formula. Let me get this off the back. So it's interesting to see how it's going on. A little patchy. This lip is taking about 10 times longer than I expected. But it looks great. Hopefully it'll dry nice and matte. And this is my look. This is the Stone Cold Fox palette. I feel like a Stone Cold Fox. I think this is just stunning. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.